Hello and welcome. Another accessory product that is very essential for your and your daughter's life is something that was always hidden in your plain sight, but we were never really aware. It is the detergent that you use for washing all kinds of intimate wear, undergarments that you normally use, your bra, your undergarments, your underpants, or any other undergarments that you normally use. Now, why am I talking about detergents? What is wrong with the detergents? The thing with detergents is mostly that we use at homes these days are made of very heavy chemical loaded surfactants. Surfactant is basically the component in a detergent that cleans. So when I talk about surfactant, it basically they are chemicals that are made in factories and then they are used as surfactants. So normally what happens is when these kind of detergents we use for our garments, we definitely wash them, washing machine, lot of water, a lot of spinning and everything. But these in micro quantities always stay on the garments, any kind of a garment, even these garments. So if they stay on the garment and if they start rubbing with your skin, they do get absorbed in your skin. One of the very important reasons, and you might be able to know this better, is you see a lot of us women, especially because we do a lot of work in the kitchen, wash a lot of utensils, handle a lot of different kinds of detergent, utensils cleaning, clothes cleaning, detergent. We see that our hands have become a lot more sensitive. There is a lot of reaction which a lot of women see because of detergents, and that is because of the chemicals. So that is damaging our hands definitely, but in micro quantities, as I mentioned, it also gets retained on your fabrics. And when you use these fabrics, when you wear these fabrics, because of the rubbing constant friction, they get absorbed. Now the outer garments we still don't, they are still on the outside, they don't get rubbed so much. But imagine the undergarments. Undergarments, we have few undergarments, we use them on repeat, correct? Are in contact with your most intimate parts. Either it's your vulva or your underarms, breasts, things like these. So there is a lot of friction happening there, a lot of sweating happening there, because of which there is a added chance, a more chance of these chemicals, whatever is the residue, getting absorbed in the body. And that is the reason why we need to look at detergents a little differently. Second thing, regular detergents are made for cleaning action. They are not made for stain removing action. So when we talk about undergarments or any kinds of garments we use for periods, like a cloth pad, like a period panty, there is a lot of stain, there's blood stain that we are discussing. So the detergent has to be equipped for stain removal as well. And that is the reason we have developed this particularly on the request of our community, because a lot of our cloth pad users came back to us that we need a detergent, develop something because regular detergents are not taking care of the stains. So that is the reason we developed this. Is a liquid detergent, you see it's a liquid inside. It is a very simple product. The surfactant that we have used is plant-based, 100% pure plant-based, and there is a component of bioenzymes which take care of the stain removal action. So this can fight any sort of rigid stains, blood stains, grease, haldi, any kinds of difficult stains this can handle. You can use it for your regular undergarment washing, period undergarment washing, active wear, gym clothes, yoga clothes, all these also you can definitely use because there's a lot of sweating on those garments which leave stains. So I would personally recommend try this product. We are going to develop this into a full-fledged range of detergents with bigger packs also. Now we have a 100 and 200 ml pack. We will be soon launching a 500 ml 2-liter bottle also, again on special community request. So do check it out. It's the earnest of you.